Hey guys, welcome back to our Ti-NspireApps. Today I'll be teaching y'all a little bit about our Precalculus Made Easy app. So Precalculus Made Easy app, perfect if you're a college student, high school student, someone who just wants a refresh in an in-depth way of precalculus. So let's just get right into it. Why not? Okay, so huge part about precalculus, trigonometry, right here. The SSS case, SAS case, SSA case, and SAA case. So let's just start with the SAS case. Why not? You're given two sides, one angle, information right there for you. Using the law of cosine, it gives you the formula and then finds all the answers for you and then shows you how to do them in a step-by-step way. If we go down, this is side Z. Let's go down, find angle X, right there, all for you. Answer is right here. Find angle Y, everything, went too far down. Here, everything's right here. Here's your answer. And the area, right here, done. Let's go to SSS case. Make that 1, 3. Perfect. Again, same thing. Using law of cosine, find angle Z. Answer right there. Find angle X. Answer right there. Find angle Y. Answer still there. Oh wait, no, that's area. My bad. Answer is right there. And then if area, of course, right here. Another huge part of precalculus of our polynomials. Let's do all-in-one-polynomial explorer. Let's make this one 13. Why not? So here's our equation. It shows the degree, the coefficients, the leading coefficient, the possible rational zeros, factors, and the actual factored, and has roots/zeros. All your information is right here. And then of course the dominant term. You will be passing every test, every quiz, every exam, everything that you're thrown at, or whatever's thrown at you, sorry. And in case you just want to refresh, this app is perfect. Like all of our other apps, it's divided into sections, and those sections are divided into more specific layouts, functions, find domain, that's 7, why not, right there. 3, same thing. Algebra, solve 2 times 2 systems step by step. Done. All the information is right here for you. And it shows you everything step by step. And we stress this so much because our app does this for you. You put all the equations in, all the questions you're given, you plug everything in, and we do the work and show you how to do it so then you can learn and do the exact same thing and get it right. Matrices, huge part of precalculus. So you're given 2 matrices, you put in the numbers, then 9 instead, boom, just like that. You do B times A, go down a bit more, A plus B, A minus B, it's all right there for you. And it shows you how to do everything. Going back to menu, of course our app also has the about, help and about section. That's where if you have help, you can ask us questions, if you're confused on things, what to input, what not, font size, about us, all of that. Circles, read, unit, circle, angles, and coordinates. Okay, and you can refresh, find sector, arc, and coordinates, why not? R is 1, done. This app will get you through everything. If you want to purchase it, go to www.Ti-NspireApps.com. And if you are a student in college or high school, it doesn't really matter. We have the apps for you. We have Finance Made Easy, chemistry made easy, physics made easy. We have apps to help you pass SAT and ACT exams. We have everything. Just make your way over to www.Ti-NspireApps.com. Thank you guys so much for watching.